Hello, I'm Rosalie Langham. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in New South Wales, Central West. Today I'm going to show you a card from our Rusty Carver suite. So I'll just move this up a bit. It's on page 48-49 of the mini catalogue. This is the stamp set and dies. So, I don't know whether you can see that very well. And it's a cling stamp set. The dies cut out the large pumpkin, the flowers, labels, and this makes a pumpkin piece with an embossed pieces on it. Okay, so that's the embossing piece, these pieces. You can make a pumpkin out of, and where the dots are would be where you poke it out, and probably where you could join up the sections. Okay, so that's what I'm doing today. This back in here. I'm not doing any stamping today. Well, I did stamp a hello out of that. So I'll just put this out of the way. As you can see, there's plenty of things. These leaves that you get in the suite come with a hole in them, so you can use them as tags. You also get these gems with it, and they come in the packet with that. So what I'm going to do today is this card with a hello. So you get this paper in the suite. So there is quite a few different ways you can do things. So you've got checks, greenery, oops, that's one that I used today. These leafy ones, the floral, which you could use actually as scrapbooking as well. This one has floral on the back for gum nuts and yellow stripes on this, and the pumpkin. Right, so what I'm going to do today, I have some orange cardstock. Just move this straight, I think, if I can. Not too dark. Just see if I can brighten this a bit. Okay. Rightio, is that better? A little bit better. So this cardstock, and it's 8.5 by, scored in the middle at 4 1/8, and it is 5 and just make sure it is 5.5 inches. So this piece is, I've matched it to the vellum. I'm going to put, I'll just move this out of the way so you can actually see. I've matched this to the vellum, so the vellum is going to go on this, and it gives you just about a 1/16 of an inch border. Now these vellum pieces come in, I've got to think what the suite is, what the bundle is. It's gone blank. Botanical Layers. Okay, so you get a pack of, I think it's 60 vellum sheets. Majority are blank, but you do get some that are got circles on them, dots on them, and leafy pattern around it. And I think I've actually had some videos that I've done with those pieces. So I'm just going to stick this down onto this. And I'm just going to glue in the center because this piece will go over the vellum. So I'm just going to do a square like that, really. And stick the vellum that way, I think. Try and get it as centered as possible. So do that. As you can see, if you use glue, the glue does come through the vellum. So that's why I've put it in the center. And this piece is going to go on top of that, like so. And I think I might set that one up on dimensionals. This is a piece that I had in, I think what the name of it is. I'll have it in the description anyway, what it's called. But it's a die cut and I've cut it out of, you also get a looped one which I've also shown in the videos, I believe. Okay, so I'm just going to sit that about there, and I just wanted the pattern to come through on the vellum on that. So this one can be stuck down. Now I'm just going to use a liquid glue on that. I'm not putting a ribbon on it, so it's not going to like so. This is a very quick card today. So this one is going to go there, and I think I'll put it, well, no, I'll just stick that one down. So I'll cut that to match the inside of that pattern piece. So I'm just going to stick that there. You could use this for a Halloween card, or I'm just going to put a hello on it. Now all I've done is stamp the hello with our Memento ink, and I'll stick it on dimensionals, and I've cut an oval shape out around it. So I felt that that worked in best with our pumpkins. Oops, wants to stay with me. Now I think I will put that I'll put it there and to one side have that straight. Pretty straight. Okay, so that's pretty much the basic card. Now, I am going to put a couple of blue dots on the edges. To hold these down. And I'll use some of these gems. I think there's only 2 sizes in this. I'm just covering the blue dots with these so that we have no glue showing. And oops. Get that one there. Like that. Just going to put one up there just to fill that blank space in. Okay, so that's the outside of the card. It's fairly simple, not very much that you have to do, just die cut this and this and just cut some papers, really. I'll just do a insert. The insert, just get rid of this rubbish. I thought I would use these. So we've got some flowers, and so we'll do the flowers first, and I'm just going to do them in black and white. Just need something to just a bit of scratch paper to cut that off. I better get in screen, hadn't I? That always helps. I'm just going to rub this off, just to get rid of any residue that maybe left on it when they made the stamp. That will inhibit the ink. Now, I'm just going to stamp off, stamp on, like so. Just going to give that a rub. I'm just going to set this there. Like so. So we have flowers underneath and the stamp on top. Okay, and I'll just glue that inside. Glue. And guess what, it's a little bit too long. That's better. Okay. So, that's the inside of the card. This is the outside. And for the envelope, I thought I would just grab an envelope. These. Not those ones. Oops. Where have they gone? That'll be all right. And for the envelope, this up. Put that under there in the corner and ink it up again because I've taken some off. And just that there. So there you have the card and the envelope on. And just wanted to let you know I've got a retreat happening on the 8th and 9th of October. So if you would like to attend, it's called Botanical Layers. So the vellum will come with as part of the bundle, and it will be at Cargo, Central West New South Wales, and it will cost $160. Now I need the deposit by the 15th of, or full payment by the 15th of August, so I know how many are coming to be able to purchase the supplies and get things up and running. If you can't attend, I can do a dinner box, but it'll cost $185 as I need to send the items. There is also add-ons. If you'd like to do a separate private class, it's a Wash with Beauty, Wisteria Wishes, or pop-up dies. Wash with Beauty's $120. Wisteria Wishes is $90, and pop-up dies is $70. You could register on my Facebook site at Botanical Layers retreat group. That is up now, and or go to my Rosalie's Craft Obsessions on Facebook, and there's the registration there. Or you could ring me on 04777 19117. So I look forward to seeing you and or hearing from you, and that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed that, and happy crafting. Bye for now.